Good evening, dear students. Today we will have a detailed explanation of expanded form. In expanded form, we break up a number according to their place value and expand it to show the value of each digit. Once again, in expanded form, we break up a number according to their place value. 234, we break up a number according to their place value means ones, tens, hundreds, and expand it to show the value, that is 2 into 100, 3 into 10, 4 into 1, in which we will get the number 2 into 100, 200, 3 into 10, 30, 4 into 1, 4. So, in expanded form, we break up a number according to their place value and expand it to show the value of each digit. Consider an example. Expanded form of 234 is, first we should write the place value. 234, 4 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place. So 2 into 100, 3 into 10, 4 into 1. So the expanded form of 234 is equal to 200 plus 30 plus 4 is the expanded form of 234. Like that, we will take another example. The expanded form of 5087. First mention the place value. 5087. 7 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands place. Always remember the place value and the face value of the digit 0 is always 0. The place value and the face value of the digit 0 is always 0. So first we mention the place value and then expand it. 5 into 1000, 0 into 100, 8 into 10, 7 into 1. So what is expanded form? 5000, 0, 80 plus 7. 5000 plus 0 plus 80 plus 7 is the expanded form of 5087. One more example. We will consider one more example which the students will have a clear idea about the expanded form. Expanded form of 1438. First mention the place value. 8 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in hundred place, 1 is in thousand place, and expand it. 1 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So 1 into 1000, 1000 plus 4 into 100, 400 plus 3 into 10, 30 plus 8 is the expanded form of 1438. Next, we will have a look on the number name and its expanded form. So, first we consider the number name 5445. From the given number name, you should mention the expanded form and also the short form. So many students will have a doubt from the number name how to mention the expanded form from the given number name. So just read and write accordingly. 5000. So the expanded form Just mention 5,000 plus 400. 400 plus 40 plus 40 plus 5. So this is the expanded form. And what is the short form? Short form means the total, the number, the total of the expanded form is the short form. So 5,000 plus 400 plus 40 plus 5. 5,445 is the number from the number name 5,445. Consider one more example. 7,033. Expanded form is equal to 7,000 plus 100 place there is 0 plus 0 plus 30. 30 is the tens place plus 30 plus 3. And the short form is 7,000 plus 30 plus 3. 7,033 is the number of the number name 7,033. We will consider a last one more example. 8,003. When we given just 8,003, just mention the number accordingly what we have read over here. So 8,000, mention the expanded form 8,000 and 100 place 0 plus 0 plus tens place 0 plus ones place 3 plus 3. Even if you write the expanded form 8,000 plus 3 is also fine because 0 doesn't have any value over here. So you can just mention 8,000 plus 3. So what is the short form? 8,003. Short form means the number from the number name 8,003. From the number name, we just see from the number, we can just see the number name, see the expanded form and the short form. Consider the number 3,536. We just mentioned the place value first. 6 in the ones place, 3 in the tens place, 4 in the 100 place, 3 in the thousands place. Make the expanded form. 3 into 1,000, 3,000 plus 5 into 100, 500 plus 3 into 10 plus 6 into 1. 3,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 6. So what is the short form? Short form is the total of the same. 3,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 6. The number itself 3,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 6. 3,536. What is the number name? As you read 3 in the thousand place. 3,536. 3,536. Just read the expanded form. When you have any confusion to write the number name, just read out the expanded form 3,536. Similarly, we will have one more example. Consider example 5,039. Mention the place value first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 5 into 1,000 plus 0 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 9 into 1. 5,000 plus 0 plus 30 plus 9. Just read out the number from the same expanded form. Just read the number name from the expanded form, which makes you very simple. 5,039. 5,039. 39. So 0 doesn't have any value. So just mention 5039. Many of the students is having a doubt from given the number name. When we are giving a number name, how to identify the number from the number name. So I will tell you a small easiest method which you can remember, a technique which you can use at the time of writing your exams. Consider the number name 2003. Just mention 2000. When you read 2000, just mention 2000, then 3 plus 3. So the number is 2000 plus 3, 2003. Similarly, 3000, just mention 3000 plus 400 plus 400, 30 plus 30 plus 5. 3435 is the number. So when you are given a number name, by reading itself you just mention the number and total it. 3000, mention 3000, 400, mention the 400, 30 plus 30 plus 5 plus 5, 3435. Last one is 4080. So 4000, mention 4000 first, plus 80 plus 80, so 4080. And we will have a task for the day. We will consider a task in which you can just see, you identify the expanded form, whether you understand about the expanded form, number name. So consider the number 3908. Identify the expanded form and mention the number name. Identify the number 4001. Mention the expanded form, number name. Identify the number as 4059. Mention the expanded form and identify the number name. So, in the next class, we will have a detailed explanation of ascending order, descending order, successor, predecessor, and if you have any doubts in any of the portions which we have covered so far, please comment on the description box and I can just explain in the next video if you need any more detailed about the considered portion. And if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.